Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn negative article of Deutsch, negative article in German language. As the name suggests, it is an article which is used to negate a noun. I have already made videos on bestimmte und unbestimmte article. In case if you have missed, then do have a look at them first. I will leave their links in the description box below. Now let's begin with today's chapter. Auf geht's! Before we begin with negative article, I would first like to revise bestimmte Artikel und unbestimmte Artikel. Here is the classification of bestimmte Artikel. Der, die, das, die, and all of them mean the of English. Here is the classification of unbestimmte Artikel. Ein, eine, ein, und es gibt keinen Artikel im Plural. There is no indefinite article in plural, and all of them mean a or an of English. Here is the classification of negative article. Masculine ist kein, feminine ist keine, neutrum ist kein und plural ist keine. And all of them mean no or not a for your understanding. Let's understand when do we use this negative article in a sentence. As the name suggests, you will use negative article to negate a noun, only noun, nothing else. Ist das ein Kuli? Is this a pen? No, right? It is not a pen, it is a bottle. And you are negating pen in this sentence, Kuli. So where would kein article go? It would go with Kuli. So let me ask this question once again. Ist das ein Kuli? Nein, das ist kein Kuli. Das ist eine Flasche. This is not a pen, this is a bottle. Let's take one more example. Ist das eine Pflanze? Is this a plant? No, it is a pen, right? So what are you negating? You are negating Pflanze, plant, and the keine article would go with Pflanze. So let me ask this question once again. Ist das eine Pflanze? Nein, das ist keine Pflanze, das ist ein Kuli. Ist das ein Heft? Is this a notebook? No, right? It is not a notebook, it's a lamp. So the answer would be, das ist kein Heft, das ist eine Lampe. Sind das Bleistifte? Are these pencils? No, these are not pencils, these are pens, right? So my answer would be, das sind keine Bleistifte, das sind Kulis. These are not pencils, these are pens. We do not have plural article in unbestimmte category. For detailed information, you can watch the video on unbestimmte Artikel. In German language, there are many words to negate something. But for beginners level, let's understand the difference between Nein, Nicht und Kein. Nein means no. It is opposite of Ja, which means yes. And Nein is just an answer to a question. For an example, if I ask you, wohnst du in Berlin? Do you live in Berlin? You will say Nein. Simple. Nicht means not, and it is used to negate adjectives, verbs, prepositions. For an example, die Flasche ist groß. The bottle is big. Groß means big and it is an adjective. So if I have to negate this adjective, I will say die Flasche ist nicht groß. The bottle is not big. Kein is a negative article and you will use it to negate nouns only. For an example, if I ask you, haben Sie ein Auto? Do you have a car? You will say, nein, ich habe kein Auto. No, I do not have a car. Now it's time for die Hausaufgabe. In the homework, you have to answer to these questions and leave them in the comment box below. You can quickly note down these questions or take a screenshot. That's all for today guys. If you find this video useful, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. Dankeschön. Tschüss.